The Huawei Watch Fit 2 is a follow-up to the Huawei Watch Fit, a fitness tracker smartwatch hybrid with an extremely affordable price tag. It debuts big running smarts brought over from the Watch GT Runner. Smartwatch features like a built-in music player and Bluetooth calling and over a week of battery life. If you're looking to monitor your health with the wearable, then watch our full review of the Huawei Watch Fit 2. The most noticeable difference is that the Watch Fit 2 has a larger and sharper display than its predecessor. It boasts a 1.74 inches AMOLED screen with a 336 by 480 resolution, as opposed to its predecessor's 1.64 inches screen with a 280 by 456 resolution. The full touchscreen comes with minimal bezels and curved glass on the edges. Colors appear bright and punchy. The Watch Fit 2 comes in 3 editions: Active, Classic, and Elegant. Each edition features a different watch strap and overall look. The watch features an innovative press-to-release link appearance, which makes switching straps easy. The edition you choose also affects the weight of the watch. The Active edition weighs 26 grams without the strap, while the other two weigh 30 grams without the strap. Watch Fit 2 comes with one function button on the right that you'll use to control and select items on the watch. At the back, you'll find a 9-axis IMU sensor and an optical heart rate sensor. For even more customization, the watch comes with a creative always-on display for more attractive watch faces. And about this watch face store makes it easy to craft styles that speak to you. Fitness tracking on the first Fit was good, but not without its issues, particularly on the accuracy front. The Watch Fit 2 brings tracking steps, sleep, heart rate, stress, blood oxygen levels, and menstrual cycles. The fitness and health tracking experience is solid overall. For step counts, it delivered similar daily data as Garmin's step tracking, and it will throw up animations on screen to tell you to budge when you've been inactive for too long. You've got an easy-to-read watch widget to display progress, and you can see a breakdown of the activity those steps were generated from inside of the Huawei Health app. When it's time to sleep, there's a dedicated watch menu to show off the previous night's sleep with more data and analysis inside of the companion phone app. It's here where you'll see sleep stage breakdowns, a sleep score along with insight on what that sleep score means, and it also captures breathing rate. On the spot, SpO2 readings were good too, though monitoring 24/7 does eat into the battery. The Fit 2 also monitors skin temperature and collates that information in the app. It generally floated around the 33 degrees centigrade mark, which is considered normal skin temperature. However, this isn't measured against established baselines, nor does it seem to be incorporated into other wellness or health features, so it essentially plays lip service to body temperature tracking without being useful in any way. You can also continuously monitor stress via heart rate variability measurements, letting you know when stress is low, high or normal over a day to help you see what might be causing more stressful moments in your day. The Watch Fit 2 feels like a more reliable activity tracker than the first Fit, and is definitely more fitness tracker than health tracker. The experience on the watch is better off it, but it's all steps in the right direction. If you're looking to get the Watch Fit 2 to get the most of your workouts, you'd be glad to know that, like most wearables, you can track your progress and the amount of calories burnt, and also the kilometers you have walked in the day through the Watch Fit 2. The watch is also water resistant up to 5 atm, so you can wear it while you swim. Avid runners will love smart metrics like running force index and training load, which take distance, heart rate, and pace into account to offer you great insights into your running routines. Running data is also read aloud every kilometer, which is pretty nifty. The Watch Fit 2 also offers 97 workout modes and exclusive fitness animations, and voice-guided warm-up stretches that are pretty helpful. With support for 5 different navigation satellites, the Watch Fit 2 offers greater accuracy than its predecessor. The Watch Fit 2 is still able to track distance pretty accurately when walking around an indoor multi-story car park. The Huawei Watch Fit 2 supports Bluetooth calling, quick message replies, and imported contacts. Unfortunately, you can't type out messages. There are templates that offer quick replies. On our test, phone calls were clear and loud on both ends. It still feels a little weird talking to a watch, though. Huawei has improved outdoor tracking and has added dual-band 5-system GNSS support to let you grab extra signals from supported satellite systems to improve accuracy. We pitted it against the largely very accurate multi-band tracking on the Garmin Epix, and while it was good on the whole, it had its sketchy routing moments. However, so did the very reliable Garmin on occasions, as illustrated in the screens below. So GPS devices are infallible in built-up areas. Pretty much everything you could do on the Watch Fit from a smartwatch features point of view is available on the Fit 2, plus the pretty big additions of Bluetooth calling, a built-in music player with room for up to 5,000 songs, and access to Huawei's app gallery. The music playback controls are easy to use too, and while you can send music over to the watch and pair up Bluetooth headphones to listen sans smartphone, it needs to be purchased music, because this doesn't work with music streaming services like Spotify or Deezer. There's features here too, like weather forecasts, the ability to set alarms, and you can add up to 10 favorite contacts that you can quickly ring from the watch. The Bluetooth calling feature worked fine, and the call quality and loudness was strong enough to take calls outside. Huawei claims that a full charge on the Watch Fit 2 will last you 10 days of typical use and 7 days of heavy use. On our test, the brand's claims are accurate. The long battery life is coupled with quick charging. On a day where I realized that I had forgotten to charge the watch, a 5 to 10 minute charge powered up the watch for an entire day of normal use. There really is a lot to like about the Huawei Watch Fit 2. It looks great, the software runs smoothly, and Huawei has managed to cram in a lot here for a very good price. Crucially, it can back up that extra features list with a strong performance, and it has nicely evolved some features, which appeared on the original Watch Fit. The natural comparison here is the Fitbit Charge 5, but for performance and hardware, Huawei, for us, comes out on top. Fitbit does have the slight edge on the software front, particularly off the watch, but as an overall package this feels like Huawei's standout wearable, and a strong rival for the Charge 5. If you have any questions, you can ask them in the comments below. Thank you my dear friend for watching, have a nice day and see you soon.